Hello, introducing myself. My name is Niki Ramadan. My student ID number is 09010282327057. Here I will read two texts for task 1, passage 1. However, despite the beliefs on these 70 to 20 million people, there is no evidence that accidents are more likely to happen on Friday the 13th. On the contrary, some studies have shown there are actually fewer accidents on Friday the 13th. A recent report completed by a Dutch insurance company showed that there were fewer incidents of fire and death on Fridays that fell on the 13th than on any other Fridays in the same year. It is highly probable that this reduction in accidents owes itself to the fear of Friday the 13th itself. If people are more conscious on Friday the 13th, then there are likely to be fewer accidents. If then there is no significant evidence that Friday the 13th is any more dangerous than any other day of the year. Why do frigate-class remain convinced of its unluckiness, while the historical or folk tradition discussed earlier may have something to do with this belief? People may also use associational links to justify their superstition. If a frigatrisacadophobic loses his wallet on Tuesday the 21st, for example, he will probably not assign any meaning to the date on which this event occurred. If the same individual lost his wallet on Friday the 13th, however, he may be likely to conclude that the inauspicious nature of Friday the 13th was at fault. Thank you.